Hello, taste bud. How often do you walk into your kitchen after a long, busy day at work, pull open that fridge door, and have no clue what to fix for dinner, much less the ingredients for a decent meal? I get you. I know how you feel. I've been there. We're all cooking from home more than ever, and we need help. My name is Annette Daly, and I am the queen of having fun in the kitchen. And I teach busy people how to eat well despite all of our time crunches. I want to invite you to my 5-day Facebook challenge called Easy Meal Prep Made Fun 5 Steps to Gain Kitchen Confidence with Mealtime Strategies. You're going to learn how to restore order and feel empowered again. You're going to learn how to stop wasting food, which we know saves you money. We're going to learn how to avoid the meal prep overwhelm. I'm going to share with you some time saving kitchen tools that you should have in your kitchen. And I'm going to teach you how to cook once, eat all week without getting bored. This challenge is for you if you want to beat the I don't know what to cook blues. And I'll teach you how to simplify your dinner routine and make better choices. So go ahead, click that button, join my group, have some fun, and learn a lot as well. I'll see you on the inside.